Hey there, friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a lightning-fast method to create an account and access Leonardo AI in just 3 minutes. So without further ado, let's get started. Fire up your favorite search engine and type in Leonardo AI. Click on the first result that says Get Instant Access. Enter your name and email in the provided fields. Congratulations! You're now on the Leonardo AI list. Now click the Click Here button to gain priority access. This will take you to the Leonardo AI registration form, but hold on. We need a Discord account to proceed. Let's create one. Open a new tab and search for Discord. Click on the Login button and then select Register. Fill in your information and ensure you tick the box. Click Continue to proceed. Complete the human verification process as well. Follow the steps to set up your Discord account. Copy your Discord username from here. Copy it. Now, go back to the Leonardo AI registration form. Paste your Discord username here, type in your first name and email, and hit Submit. Click the link provided to log in. Then, select Sign Up and create a password of your choice. Now copy the Leonardo verification code from your Gmail account. Paste the verification code and click Confirm Account. Next, choose a username and select your interests. Tick the box and click Next. Fantastic! You've successfully created your Leonardo AI account. Now let's dive into the exciting world of AI art creation. Within Leonardo AI, you'll find a range of models to choose from. For this tutorial, I've selected the 3D animation style model. Use the menu bar to set the number of images you want and adjust the resolution to your preference. Now type in your prompt. I'll keep my prompt short for now, but remember, a well-crafted prompt leads to better results. If you need help, ask ChatGPT to generate an image prompt for you. Copy the creative prompt and paste it into Leonardo's prompt bar. Configure your settings and click Generate. Voila! Look at these incredible results. Now, with our well-crafted prompt, we've achieved amazing artwork. And there you have it, folks. You're now an official user of Leonardo AI, creating stunning AI-generated art with ease. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more exciting content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.